ring set, shoes that ain't released yet. Maserati sports car, singing songs that everybody knows on a guitar. They say I'm a superstar.